In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot notification profiles. Whether you're managing a small team or an entire department, being in control of what notifications you receive and how you get them is crucial for staying organized and efficient. Now, let's dive right in. We'll start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you should see the main navigation bar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll spot the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear or cog. Go ahead and click on that icon to proceed into the settings area of your account. With settings open, turn your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you will find a variety of options. Today, our focus is on the notifications section, so scroll down until you see it, and when you do, give it a click. Once you're in the notifications area, your next step is to navigate over to the account defaults. This is where you can manage the general notification settings for your entire account. Under Account Defaults, you'll find the Notification Profiles tab. Click to open it, and you'll see where new notification profiles can be created. Now let's create a new notification profile. You should see a button labeled Create Notification Profile. Click it, and the magic begins. Here, you're able to customize how you want your notifications to come through by enabling or disabling different types. You have several options, such as email notifications, bell notifications, pop-up alerts, browser notifications, and alerts through other apps. Once you've selected the notification types, you'll want to expand each notification group. For instance, if you choose email and browser, click on those to dive deeper into the specific topics you want to be notified about. Maybe you're interested in getting alerts only about new leads or campaign reports. You can tailor it to your preference. Here's another handy tip. Through this setup, you can apply specific notification profiles to different users or teams within your organization. This essentially means that if you have different departments with differing needs, you can customize each profile accordingly. However, keep in mind, each user within your HubSpot system still retains the freedom to customize their individual notification preferences from within their personal profile settings. This custom setup will override the organization's defaults, allowing flexibility for those who need it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created and tailored notification profiles in HubSpot. This process helps ensure that you and your team are only alerted about the things that truly matter, eliminating unnecessary distractions and keeping everyone focused on what's important. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in optimizing your HubSpot